How's it going, everyone? Tell me, what's the weather like by you? We're getting we had a cold snap and now it's starting to warm up a little bit, like 30s, upstate New York, 30s is like almost summer here. We are tracking in a lot of mud in our house. We have 2 cats, they come in and out, they have mud on their paws. It gets to be a little bit of an annoyance because the floors are either muddy or dry or wet and then you step in it and that's just annoying. So can you relate? Is it muddy season by you right now? I want to tell you something about mud and how not to freak out over it, okay? This puppy right here, this is the Norwex Mop System. It's the last mop system you're ever gonna need because it's just right here. There's no buckets, there's no chemical solutions that you need to use, and there's no throwaway pads. Everything's recyclable, is reusable, and continues to be sustainable. I want to show you something about this that you might not know, or maybe you do. Maybe you have one. Do you have one of these? Tell me below. Do you like it? Do you use it? They come with a dry pad. This is what you would like sweep with in your house. So you would probably want to use this first to pick up all those bits and pieces of food that your animals, your husband, your kids, maybe yourself have dropped behind. You want to use this pad. And when you use this pad, I like to rub it on my pants and just get that static cling going because this is just like your dust mitt. I don't know if you could hear it, but there was some crackling noises. That's gonna attract everything from your floor to the pad, okay? Now, this is not a vacuum. This is a mop system. Let me just push you down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing now that you're sideways with me. No matter what, whether you are sweeping, vacuuming, or using the mop system, there's always gonna be that sweet little line of things that your mop or your broom did not pick up. That's life, okay? We're not here to solve every single problem, but we're here to solve most of your problems, okay? So we're gonna start with our floors. Anna, let me put you back up. Anna does our floors on Monday. She vacuums Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then she mops on Wednesdays. She vacuums this floor, okay? Now, yesterday she vacuumed. So I'm gonna show you how much dirt could there be in one day. Well, let's see what this will pick up versus what the vacuum didn't pick up, okay? So let's go around and just do this little area here. So typically, which is really nice, this handle, loosen it, extends up and down. So if you have someone little that's using this, it's perfect. And if you have Goliath, he can do it as well, okay? Typically, I just keep it right at my chin, just like you're singing, okay? So when you use this product, this mop, you're gonna travel in an S motion because you wanna keep whatever you are picking up right in front of this line so you can always have it with you. You're not doing this because now you're just pushing the stuff around, okay? So I wanna see if Anna did a good job or if maybe she didn't do such a good job. Not blaming her, I'm just saying that sometimes vacuums don't pick up everything, right? Tell me, do you have pets that come in your house? Are they muddy? Are they full of dirt? All kinds of yucky stuff? And do you love getting out your mop and your bucket and your chemical cleaners and your replaceable pads just to find that maybe you don't have a pad and now how are you gonna mop your floors? How about you just use water? Water? That's it? Are you serious? Okay, so I'm gonna bring you over here and show you. I just did this area right here. It's a high traffic area, but it's not that bad. So let's see how Anna did compared to how we did, okay? So what I like to do, this is the rubber brush. This is a must if you're gonna get the mop, okay? But I wanna show you, let's get you close up. Do you see anything in there? Yeah, I see some stuff. Okay, so typically, I'm doing this just for show right now. Typically, you would want to put this over your garbage And you know what I should do? I should have put something down so you can see all this stuff, but I'm gonna show you. You would take this over your garbage and just push it right in. This is going to clean your mop pad as well, your dry one, because all that's on here is just crumbs. There's no sticky messes because you don't use this one for that. You just use this one for cleaning out your pad. So that's done. I washed this, I don't know, I haven't washed it in like months. It can go a long time because it has that silver in it, which is really, really good. So I want to show you what was picked up right here. I see a staple. I see a couple things. You want to come really close and see it? All right, come with me. Whoa. What do you see? I see all kinds of things. There's the staple, who knows, a wrapper, all kinds of things. So this really does pick up those little crumbs and hairs. And if you have dogs, whew, this is really gonna pick it up. Real quick, anyone else in their house have a chair that doesn't have a cushion? Like you just don't know where the cushion is? You have no idea where it went? Yeah, that's us. Okay, so this is gonna go in the garbage. For now, it's just gonna go right there, okay? Now, where are you? Oh, so sorry I didn't take you with me. Okay, after you're done sweeping your floor, now this is Velcro, okay? Comes right off. You are gonna use your wet pad. Now this is just like your EnviroCloth. It has that silver in it, so it's going to self-purify. It's not gonna stink as often. We wash this, and like I said, Anna does the floors once a week. I wash it maybe once a month, maybe once every 2 months. It depends on how yucky it is. I also use, she also uses, this is the tile mop pad. So it's the same as the Enviro, or same as this pad. It just has some more scrubbing power to it. And since these are ceramic tile floor, this is what we use, okay? So another amazing feature to this mop is this guy right here. Doesn't this look like something that reminds you of another mop product out there that you put the chemical cleaner in it and you get the replaceable pads, and that can cost you, what, $1,800 after 1 year? $1,800 for that mop pad or that mop where you can get this, which is on sale right now for under $100. Yeah, that's incredible. So this is fun. Anna uses this when it comes to spot cleaning, and sometimes she just doesn't want to get the whole pad wet, so she will just, let me back up, she'll just squirt it. Okay, this squirts water out, and now you use this like you would a regular mop. Going everywhere, anywhere, and it's going to pick up and remove all that yuck that's on your floor. They won't ever have to go get chemical cleaner. They are just using their water. I mean, to me, that's like a win all the way around. So if you are interested in purchasing this, it's worth every penny. But if you want to host a party, you can get this baby for free or deeply discounted. And if you want the whole kit and caboodle, you can get it even cheaper when you open up your own consultant account. So get with me if you want. If you want to know more about this, put in the comments mop, and I will tell you all the options. And I can even custom make you a link, and you can do the easy button, click it, and it's already there for you. So that is the mop. I am excited that we're having a sale on this. This is the last mop you're ever gonna need, and I will see you in the next one.